Alright guys, just wanted to give you a quick rundown of this shower surround that I put in. It's a jet coat, 60 by 32. I really didn't want to take the time, spend the money, spend the time to put tile in here. But yeah, we did a bathroom remodel. There used to be a wall right here where this bump out is. Built that. We took a closet out on the other side here. Well, it's kind of tight quarters, but it's a lot bigger than it was. But anyway, this jet coat, super easy. You can cut it. I cut it with an oscillating tool. Cut some of this stuff. And obviously none of this is done, but cut some of this stuff on the table saw. And I'll have a video in the future of how I'm going to address this window right in the middle of the shower. But yeah, this is the slate color. Gonna do a video about the shower head. Love it.